Raindrops trace the window pane like silent echoes of your name. I sit alone and count the days since you walked away. Clouds are low, the sky is gray, but memories don't fade away. Your shadows dancing in the light of this rainy night. The rain remembers you in every drop, a piece of truth. Though time has pulled us through, I still feel you in the blue. The rain remembers you. Umbrellas pass, the world moves on, but here I am where we belonged. The city whispers soft and low of things I'll never show. Each puddle holds a shattered frame of laughter that still knows your name. And though I try to let it go, the rain won't say so. The rain remembers you in every drop, a piece of truth. Though time has pulled us through, I still feel you in the blue. The rain remembers you. Maybe you're beneath this sky, hearing the same lullaby, thinking of a time we knew before we faded into two. The rain remembers you, even when I try not to.